Hello guys, are your Google Ads account is suspended and now you can't able to run ads and you can't able to generate lead and your grow your business, and you are wondering how I can able to reinstate my account as soon as possible. So first understand why your account is suspended and then submit the appeal. So first I'm giving you the basic overview why Google suspended your account. There are basically two common reasons. First one is account level suspension and second one is policy violation. So no matter what the reason behind your account suspension, in this video we are covering all the method and all the tactics that you can use to reinstate your account soon as possible. So guys, let's get started today's video. So guys, if you didn't subscribe yet my channel, please hit the subscribe button so whenever I upload a new video you will get notified. So guys, let's get started now. So guys, let's first talk about account level suspension. Account level suspension is triggering when your Google Ads account linked with some another suspended merchant center account, and that is why your Google Ads account temporarily block and you can't able to run any other ads as well. So you can unlink your merchant center account and then submit the appeal, or until you need to wait your merchant center account is approved, and then you can resubmit the appeal and your account probably get reinstated. And the second case scenario is that when you're trying to set up your Google Ads account and you enter all the details and all the business information, and you just receive the notification is that your account is suspended due to some payment issue, and that issue is triggering when you entering some like virtual debit card, virtual credit card, and Google probably ban all of these type of credit card and debit card. So you need to submit the your bank statement, maybe your credit card and debit card statement to the Google support team. And guys, please don't use any virtual addresses, virtual debit card, virtual business cards. These cards are not allowed according to the Google Ads policy. So once you do all the things, then your account will be reinstated soon as possible. Now let's talk about the second case scenario. Second case scenario is actually policy violation, and policy violation suspension is triggering when you are actually violating some policy and some terms of service. So there are multiple issues like maybe you are violating, circumventing the policy, abusing the network, you are selling some counterfeit products, your payment method is invalid, and you doesn't clear the Google Ads due, and maybe your website having some issues like doesn't having the actual real business address, and your terms and condition, refund policy, privacy policy, and doesn't complying, like you also doesn't complying with the GDPR policy. So all of these issue kind of triggering the policy violation suspension, and you need to monitor closely. So let's first talk about the circumventing the policy. So most probably if you already set up multiple Google Ads account, then your account is suspended due to circumventing the policy, and it is really difficult to deal with it because you already set up multiple Google Ads account. In that case scenario, you need to actually cancel out all the duplicates account and send the all the details to the Google. Say we have created all of these like duplicates account, now we already cancel all of these account, then Google might be probably your account will be reinstated. So guys, don't create multiple ads account. If your ads account is just suspended, try to submit the appeal and see what the results is you will getting. So wait and patience. Now let's talk about the counterfeit product. If you are selling some counterfeit product, duplicate product, in that case scenario you need to actually remove all of these branded product that you didn't have brand authorization, like reselling certificates. So you need to remove all of these products and remove from your website, remove from the merchant center feed, and then try to submit appeal again, and then probably your account will be reinstated. So guys, don't sell the counterfeit and duplicate product. And maybe third case scenario, like when you use some branded keyword, some copyrighted keyword into your Google ads copy. So Google doesn't allow to use like branded keywords in your Google ads copy, like headline, description, and your website URL. So don't use these branded keywords, copyrighted keywords. So if you use these keywords previously, then remove and delete your campaign and submit the appeal again, and probably your account will be reinstated soon as possible. And fourth reason why your account is suspended, maybe you doesn't verify your business information. So guys, closely monitor your all the notification, all the Google Ads notification. Maybe you have received some account verification email, your business verification email, and you doesn't verify your Google Ads account, then probably your account is suspended due to some business information is unverified. So guys, please verify your business information if you receive these email. Once you verify your business information, then it is fine, your account will be reinstated. You just need to submit the appeal again. So guys, that's for this video, that's it for now. So I am covering all of these case scenario when your Google Ads account is suspended. If you following all the Google Ads policy and terms of service and submitting the appeal again, then probably your account will be reinstated. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please comment if you have any other query. So guys, see you soon.